Yo, today I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version of the Gardenscapes onto your phone. No jailbreaker computer needed. So look how much money I got, guys. This is super crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So just keep watching. This is completely for free and fully updated, guys, for 2024. So as you can see, look how much money I got, over 1 million. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm not spending no money on this game, guys. I'm going to get everything for free. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, so let's get right into the video. So as you can see, guys, we have I don't know, that's over 1 million right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you need to do is go to this website. It's called ZooMods, and it has a ton of mods for apps and games. So anyways, guys, once you're on this site, just go to the search bar and type in Gardenscapes. And as you can see, guys, it says Gardenscapes mod, so just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got like a decent internet connection, it shouldn't take that long. But if we go to the App Store, guys, and see how much all this stuff costs in Gardenscapes, I don't think we're going to be interested in paying for it. So let me just type it in right here. I'm just going to type in Gardenscapes, and here's the game. And we go to in-app purchases. Dang, bro, what is that? I'm not paying $4. I'm not paying $15. So all we got to do, guys, is go to ZooMods, and then once we're on this site, guys, all we got to do is just go ahead and go to the search bar and type in Gardenscapes. Let me just do that right here. And as you can see, it comes up. So you just got to wait for this to download, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out. It's super cool. It's fully working. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe. This is super crazy, guys, and it fully works. So as you can see, look at the money right there. Dang, bro. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out with this method. It's fully working. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to try it out. And remember, guys, all we got to do is just go ahead and go to ZooMods. So once you're on this site, guys, just go to the search bar and just type in Gardenscapes. Let me just do that right here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe. This is like only 31 MB, so it's not that big. So be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. It actually works, guys. It's super insane. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in another video. And yeah, have fun with this method. And peace out.